The St. Charles County Collector of Revenue posts annual personal property and real estate tax bills online by mid to late November and mails them by December 1st. You receive this bill every year, but do you know why you have to pay the amount you do? Let's go over your bill to find out. If you own both personal property and real estate, you will receive a bill that looks similar to this example. Your personal property tax bill is on the left, and your real estate tax bill is on the right. This section breaks down the amount of taxes you pay to various political subdivisions. Here's how your taxes are calculated. The assessor determines the assessed value, which is divided by 100, and is then multiplied by the tax rate set by political subdivisions. This amount equals tax dollars submitted to the Collector of Revenue to be distributed to the various entities listed on the bill. The assessor and Collector of Revenue are not responsible for setting budgets in political subdivisions and are not responsible for establishing the tax levy or tax rate of individual political subdivisions. The amount of taxes you owe will be impacted by certain bond measures or tax rate increases passed by voters in the political subdivisions listed, including measures passed by October 31st in the same calendar year. Now, let's go over what each of these political subdivisions are and what your taxes support. County General Revenue is the amount you pay to the St. Charles County Government General Fund. This is the primary operating fund for county government services. Currently, this rate is set at 0. Since 1993, general fund property tax rates decreased steadily and have been set at 0 since 2016. Statutory and constitutional limitations on our general fund property tax rate have resulted in the elimination of this tax. State is the amount of taxes that go to the state of Missouri's Blind Pension Fund. Road and bridge taxes fund the maintenance of approximately 780 miles of roadway in unincorporated St. Charles County by the County Highway Department, as well as municipal streets. School indicates taxes you pay for the public school district in which you reside. There are 6 public school districts in St. Charles County. Community college is St. Charles Community College or East Central College, depending on where you live. Library is the St. Charles City County Library District. Fire is taxes for the fire district in which you reside. There are 10 fire districts in the county. Ambulance is the St. Charles County Ambulance District that makes these services ready and available. Developmental disability is for the Developmental Disabilities Resource Board of St. Charles County, which provides funding to agencies and school districts that serve people with disabilities in our community. City is listed if you owe taxes to the municipality in which you reside. There are 17 cities in St. Charles County. Some collect their own taxes, while others are collected through the annual tax bill issued by the Collector of Revenue. Dispatch taxes fund the county's 911 system, as well as fire and emergency medical service dispatching through the St. Charles County Department of Emergency Communications. For more information, visit sccmo.org/collector.